Hi and welcome back. I got this set of hole saws from Banggood for free, and they go from 15 millimeters up to 50 millimeters, and they are 12 pieces, and there are braced carbide inserts and a spring here to push out the material that's been cut, and and here's the smaller one, 50 millimeters versus the 50 millimeters, and I think we take a little closer look at them and see how they look. Well, as you probably could see in these pictures, there was some of these carbide tips that was shipped, and well, I don't know. You can't expect too much because of the price of this set. Anyway, let's try them out, a few of them at least, in different thickness of material, and it will be steel. Okay, we start with this 15 millimeters hole saw, and this is steel plate, 3 millimeters thick, and the RPM will be 500. Maybe it's a bit too high, I don't know. We try. Here we go. And we got a hole. No problem, I think. We will try a little bit bigger diameter of the hole saw. Alright, this is 35 millimeters diameter, and RPM will be 500 again, and the same material, 3 millimeter thick. Okay. And what happened? The drill bit broke, and here you can see the broken drill bit. I will use another one and we'll try this one more time. Okay, I mounted another drill bit, and I also slowed down the RPM to 250. Maybe 500 was a bit high, I don't know. So we make another try. Okay, we got another hole. There seems to be quite a lot of run out on this. Okay, here I got a piece of angular iron and the thickness is 6 millimeters and the diameter of this also is 25 and RPM 250. Well, that wasn't any good. Just a second, I show you. That was a little bit too much for this hole saw. I got it smashed. Maybe I am too tough on this. Maybe just go to use them on very thin sheet metal like 1-2 millimeter or something like that. We'll try something else. Okay, we'll try again. 2 millimeter thick, 28 millimeters diameter, RPM 250. And now the moment of truth will begin. Yes, we did it. We got a decent hole. Fantastic. Let's test another setup with this this machine and this stand and see how that works. I'll zoom in here and we start testing. Okay, I think that is good enough. A little bit closer, like so. Okay, here we go again. 3 millimeter thick and RPM pretty low. There we go. that went pretty good, I think. So here we have the metal sheet and the hole, and the hole saw was 28 millimeters diameter, and the hole is, you can see it, 29, a little bit over, and that is of course because of the run out you saw in the video. Okay, 50 millimeters diameter, the biggest one in this set, and the same steel sheet, 3 millimeters thick. And here we go again. This drill bit is very dull. We have a look at it. This drill bit is stuck. I'm trying to get it out. I think it's coming now. Oh, I do this off camera. Well, I finally managed to get it out. I will use some of the others in the other tools. Actually, I will try to sharpen this a bit, and we see how it works. I do that on the belt sander. Well, I think I got it a little bit better. We will try it now and see how it works. Okay, we'll try it again. Here we go. Yes, we did it, but it wasn't easy. And here we got the hole, and we shake it out. 50.5 about. Well, that's alright. If you want more precise holes, you must use a boring head. And for those who wonders, I was using this to regulate the speed of the drill. Okay, enough testing. I think I forgot to mention the width of this carbide cut bits. It's about 2.67. We have another one. 2.46. And the next one, 2.34, 2.30, no, 2.29, 2.34, and so on. And these are no precision tools, just rough tools, I think. And oh well, I think maybe they work alright in thinner metal sheet material. And I only trashed one of these. Well, okay, well, for the price of them, well, I think they are usable if you take it easy and a lot of oil and take care. And well, that's enough about this. See you later, and thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.